Shenzhen Sangguang Technology Limited was founded in 2010, has over 4 years' experience in the design, manufacture, and export of various cables, mobile phone and tablet accessories, such as HDMI cables, USB accessories for iPhone, iPad, iPod, Samsung, BlackBerry. Shenzhen Sangguang Technology Limited Manufactory is not only a cooperator, but also your reliable and long-term partner. Firstly, we adhere to the tenet of customer first, quality first, credit first, supply reasonable price, and passion service. You can trust us that we can meet the needs of customers and provide with highly reliable products and manufacturing services. We provide you the following services. 1. OEM, ODM manufacturing. Our design can make unique product shape and packages according to every customer's different request. 2. Producing and delivery process are reported to our customers weekly. Secondly, you can share with us the advanced technology, perfect equipment, rich experience, and abundant HR resources. Lastly, with the efforts made by all the staff, we have made rapid development. We believe we are your best choice for business to help you cut down cost and make you remain competitive. So if you are interested in any product we have, please feel free to contact us for more information. We are willing to build a win-win business relationship with your firm.